The Color RSI with Alert indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Traders can also visit this page to learn how the indicator works. From the Navigator section inside it, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option in the Comments section, and then click the Confirm button. When the indicator is placed on the chart, an oscillator window will appear at the bottom of the chart. The Color RSI with Alert indicator is an advanced and enhanced version of the RSI indicator, which displays red when entering the overbought area and green when entering the oversold area. This indicator notifies traders of a trading position by displaying and sending an alert when the oscillator reaches the overbought limit, and it shows a green signal for a buying position when the price reaches the oversold limit. In the Settings section, in the Input section, there are options available for us. In the first part, you can select the RSI period settings, which is set to 14 by default. In the next section, you can choose the price source settings, which can be adjusted based on the closing price, opening price, highest price, lowest price, and other options from this section. In the next section, you can set the overbought limit level, which is set to 70 by default, and below that, you can set the oversold limit, which is set to 30. In the next section, you can enable or disable the display of buy and sell signals, as well as the signals for the oscillator, entering the overbought and oversold limits. You can enable or disable the alert sending status, and if this option is set to false, the subsequent options won't be functional. If you set this option to advanced mode, you can enable or disable the alert sending options with a message in the settings section below. Enable or disable sound alerts, and finally, enable or disable email alerts. Just one important point to keep in mind is that to send alerts via email, you need to configure the email settings in the Tools section under Options, and only after that can you use this option. Traders can easily identify overbought and oversold conditions on the chart using this indicator, and if the price enters the overbought and oversold ranges, they can open trading positions. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.